Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find groups on Telegram. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upload from us. Start off by tapping open your Telegram app on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into it, and once you do, tap on the horizontal bar at the upper left-hand corner of the screen and this will open up an expanded menu. Now, tap on People Nearby and tap on Allow Access. In order to enable location access for your device, tap on Allow only while using the app in the pop-up. You'll be able to see People Nearby on the next page. If there are any local groups in your area, it'll be listed under Groups Nearby category. Select any group that you'd like to join into and tap it on. At the bottom, select Join, and that way you'll be able to join in to a group by finding it on Telegram. That was how you can quickly find a group and join into it on Telegram. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.